Hey everybody, this is the original Josh with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers. And here I'm going to introduce to you the General Pump model TS2021. And this has a B18 PA gearbox already installed. The pump is rated for a maximum of 3,500 PSI and a max flow of 5.6 gallons per minute. The gearbox is rated for between 11 and 18 horsepower, so it's good for a variety of sized engines. The gearbox runs the pump at 1450 RPM, so it's great for your tank fed applications. The valve housing is a forged brass manifold with nickel plating, so it's chemical resistance to SH for you bleach shooters and any other applications where you're using harsh chemicals. The pump makes a great upgrade for your direct drive pressure washer or to replace the pump and system on your belt drive unit. It also allows for easier service of engine and pump oils because then all of the systems can be separated and it's easier to access those areas of the system. The pump is great for tank systems as mentioned and is a high flow unit, so it's good for flat surface cleaning and high reach applications so that you don't have to get onto a ladder. The oil and hardware are included and the pump is shipped with sealing plugs so that it doesn't leak out. So before you run your newly installed pump, don't forget to install the breather cap into your gearbox as well as the vented dipstick into the transmission of the pump. And then for the hardware included, there are spacers so that if the pump does not slide all the way up against your engine flush, you can add the spacers so as not to stress crack the flange. The pricing and availability information is available on our website, dirtkiller.com. You can feel free to reach us for questions there as well. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This is the original Josh with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers. Let's kill some dirt.